Hey everyone. LinkedIn recommendations are a powerful way for us to build credibility and show our professional reputation. When colleagues, clients, or managers leave us a recommendation, it's like a public testimonial about our skills and work ethic. But did you know we can control if those recommendations are visible on our profile? Making recommendations public on LinkedIn helps build trust and highlights our achievements with real feedback from others. Public recommendations are social proof that show potential employers, clients, and connections that others value our skills and professionalism. By managing our recommendation visibility, we can choose which testimonials represent us best. This helps us build a strong personal brand, improve our impact, and stand out in a competitive job market. Now, let's see how we can make recommendations public on LinkedIn. First, we open our browser and go to www.linkedin.com. When we're on the main page, we go to our account settings. To do this, we click to access our main profile. We'll see a drop-down button next to Me. Click on this, then select Settings and Privacy. Once there, we go to Settings and Privacy. Next, we go to Visibility. Here, we can see our profile viewing options. We can choose between private profile characteristics, private mode, or displaying our name and headline. If we select private profile, only anonymous LinkedIn members see our profile. Since we want to be public, we need to choose our name and headline. After that, our page visibility should be on. It should be set to public. This lets organizations see when we visit their LinkedIn page. Once it's on, we check that our public availability is set to public. Now, anyone can see our profile and the testimonials about our skills and work ethic. Let's go back. Once we finish editing here, let's go back again. We can see our connections and the members we follow. We can turn this on or expand our data visibility. Here, we can set all of our account settings to public, so employers and others can see the testimonials about us and our credibility on LinkedIn. That's how we make recommendations public on LinkedIn. By reviewing and managing our recommendations, we make sure our profile shows our best qualities and experience. Strong testimonials can really help others see our professional value.